Alright guys, well I forgot to record, but I was gonna do a time lapse of cleaning the car, and now I'm gonna do it. I got a little bit on this side cleaning it, but yeah. Alright, who cares about the dirty car? Let's see what's in the trunk.
What did you say clean to? My cold start?
Yeah.
It's loud, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty loud, I guess. But it'll be louder with this. I was gonna say it's gonna be more louder with this. We'll see. We'll find out.
That's not the brand.
I want you guys. Oh, okay. I want everybody to guess what it is. Oh, it says in the.
It's a downpipe.
Nah. It's a downpipe.
We'll try, I guess. Oh, what is that? That's the cup holder. Cup holder, yeah. Cup holder for the, the turbo juice. Look at that. My boy got a quarter intake. We're gonna install it today. It's a hot air one because it's next to the engine. Instruction manual, though. Oh no, it's the shroud piece, huh? Whatever. It's like a freaking Christmas present. Protecting it. Matter of fact, I'll take that if you don't want it. I'll put it on my battery. No, this. To cover the battery. I need it. Alright. Now we're gonna help Brandon install this shit today. He's saying that mine is ass. I didn't say that. Knock on it. Yeah, we got Alex too. He's being a Korean businessman right now. He's making business moves. But we're at the BAM shop. We're at the BAM shop today, and we're gonna get the intakes. Yep. Alright, you ready? You ready? Yep. You gotta do it before and after noise. I ain't even recording though. Before and after. I feel like recording. Oh, you can record it. I'll record it. That's insane. Tell it's Figs to post on YouTube more. He needs to. Brandon's being inconsistent with the channel, guys. You gotta upload more. Yeah, the last video was in the camera. Yep, in the camera. He hasn't even made a video on this piece of shit yet. No, I'm kidding. It's not a piece of shit. Oh, Pokey boy. Oh, yep. We gonna do it at the BAM shop today. Sounds BAM shop. Yep. How much time you got?
Alright, so Alex is helping a lot. He's just telling us what to do.
Yo, you gotta put your hand the other way. What do you do?
Come on, see? That's exactly exactly what happened.
I'm gonna do the hawk. Once you do stuff, you guys already know. If you guys know, you guys know. Hey, y'all. You already know. Had a car for side shop. Got a user right here. See it? Got Mr. Junior. Oh, I got my jet tag. Boom. Another sticker. Boom. Boom. Sick as fuck.
I think we'll hear it if you're driving.
Yeah. You'll hear it when you're driving.
Alright, so Brandon's gonna test it now. You should wait. Wait for the truck. Oh. Oh, you can hear it? Oh! Oh, sick. That's clean. Now windows rolled up, we'll probably hear it. Or probably hear it better. For sure. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck, that's it. Oh damn. Oh shit. That's it. Oh fuck. Damn. You can hear it though. Oh, that's sick. Damn. That's crazy. Alright guys, well that was it. Pretty much Brandon putting on his intake. Got to hear the turbo spool. But I'm hearing another fucking noise in my car. That noise, like something's hitting something. So Brandon wants me to hear a flyby.